Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. And today's video is going to be all about bags. I really want to show you guys these bag organizers that I got from Zoomoni. I'm going to be showing you guys a few of my bags that I believe that really need organizers. So I have some bags that are really small that need organizers to bags that are big or medium sized that really need organizers. If you guys never heard of Zoomoni, they sell over 700 bag organizers. Each bag organizer that they sell is handmade. They sell 1.2 mm and 2 mm for premium felt material that is durable, ultra lightweight material, and environmentally friendly. Zoomoni designs all their organizers specifically for each type of bag that they have, so it's not like, oh, a couple of organizers that's supposed to fit with any type of bag. No, it's not that. Over 700 of their bag organizers are specific for each bag that you may have. What's really cool about Zoomoni is that they offer customizable organizers, so you don't have to choose which one that's on the site. You can request to get one that's like a little bit different, so it's customizable to you and your bag. I'm going to show you guys Zoomoni's packaging. So when you first receive your item, it'll look like this with the Zoomoni sticker. You guys probably don't care about that, but some people may do, so I just want to show you guys some details. This is how one of my organizers looks, and when you receive your organizer, it'll also come with this little cute card holder, or you can put maybe a lipstick in here. I don't know, it's like a little gift thing that they gift you once you purchase from them. It'll just come with the Zoomoni tag. As you can see, it's for the Chanel 19 flap in the size small. With the sizing, I did get it in the default size, and it's in the color Jasper Tan, and it is a size small because of my Chanel 19 being a size small. 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, so 2 on each side. Then I have a little pocket on this side. There's no pockets on the outside of this organizer. This is how my Chanel 19 looks, and as you can see, it's just like a really floppy type of bag that can easily like flop over. Still pretty sturdy, but I still wanted to have more of a shape. That's another reason why I like organizers. It helps keep the bags in its shape. On the inside, it looks like this, so I tried matching the inside. That's why I got it in the color Jasper Tan. Just put it in normally and it should fit perfectly as long as you choose the correct size. This fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, look how perfect it fits in my bag. No issues, and it gives my bag more of a shape, because if this was not in here, y'all seen how it was flopping around and wanting to flip over and do cartwheels and everything. Look at that. Now it sits up. The next organizer that I have is for my Chanel classic flap in the size medium. It comes with the same thing, so each of their organizers come with a little gift. The details of this organizer is that it's a 1.2 mm, so it's going to be a thin type of material, because as you've seen with the other one, it was more thicker and more sturdier looking. But since the Chanel is already sturdy, just how like the bag is naturally, I don't really think I'm gonna need something that's gonna be sturdy inside my bag when my bag's already sturdy and it can hold itself perfectly. But this is another reason why you may need a bag organizer, just obviously to keep it organized and to keep it clean inside. And it doesn't matter if it can already hold itself, like you still want it to keep it clean and organized. And I know with the Chanel it can kind of get tricky to like organize it, so yeah, this is the thin kind, and it's in the color berry burgundy. It matches closest to the color that's on the inside. It's kind of like a cherry burgundy. It's more darker. And let me show you guys the inside again. It's very sturdy, like super sturdy. Fits perfectly in the bag with no issues. The color may be a little bit off, but this is the closest color that they have on their website. So yeah, that's how it looks on the inside. It's not looking bad actually. I really like how this color goes with the actual Chanel color. It's not going to take up no type of space in this bag. You can still close it regularly and go about your day. This next organizer I want to show you guys is for the Toiletry 26 pouch. Do you guys notice anything different about this organizer? It has D-rings. This toiletry pouch does not come with any type of rings on the side to where you can wear it as a bag. You can only wear it as a little clutch. But if you do want to wear this toiletry bag as a bag itself, you can put the Zoomoni bag organizer inside that has D-rings, and they have an option to where you don't have to get the D-rings. I got this in the color custard cream. That is the closest color that I can get for this toiletry pouch. There's nothing in this toiletry pouch at all, nothing. So once you put stuff inside, it's gonna look cluttered and messy. And if you want to put makeup in here, you know how makeup can be. Makeup can make your bag dirty inside, especially if it's a light color like this. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets like this, and it comes with a bigger pocket on one side and 2 pockets right here on the outside of this organizer. I'm just going to fit it in here. Since it does come with the D-rings, you kind of want to have this organizer a bit lifted up, so you don't want it all the way down to the bag, but it's still gonna hold and keep its shape. Just like that. You can put a lipstick in here, a lip gloss, your phone, and it may fall down once you put stuff in it, but once you have a chain on the side, it's just gonna be lifted up and, you know, be looking like an actual bag or just a normal pouch that's just way more organized. This is the organizer that I have for the LV PM monogram bag. This has that 1.2 mm type of material instead of the default 2 mm. Like I said with the Chanel classic flat bag, since it does hold up by itself really well, I don't really need an organizer for it. But if I need to keep it organized itself and keep it clean, I would still need an organizer for the bag so it can still look really clean on the inside, not just only the outside. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets and 1 little pocket on this side. And I know for a fact it's not going to intervene with the bag space, because on the inside of this, if you don't know already, this already has 2 pockets, but it doesn't have a zipper on the side, so there's not really enough organizing I can do in this bag. This is how it looks on the inside. Now this one matches nearly as perfect because this is in the shade Breccia or Breccia brown. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but like I said, this material is thin, and I did get it in the type A organizing shape because I believe there's 3 different types of ways where it can look different on the inside. For example, some of the organizers, one of them may have a bigger pocket on the side, one of them may have a zipper on the side, but I didn't really want that with this bag. I just really wanted more pockets. I noticed with some organizers that actually have like the sizing of it is like the same size as this round part right here, and can be really annoying to zip up because when you zip it up, it can lift up at the top and it can make your bag look bulky. So having an organizer with this exact shape from Zoomoni is perfect for the LV PM Louis Vuitton bag. The last and final organizer I have to show you guys from Zoomoni is for the Louis Vuitton On The Go Tote MM. Has 1, 2 pockets, 3, 4 pockets, 5 pockets, then a huge one that you can put a water bottle in. And thank God for this one. Seriously, I love this one, and I believe I got this in type A. So I think there's 2 types or 3 types, but I had to get type A because of this part for sure. This is the default type of material, and it's in the color rose red. This is what it looks like on the inside with this one, and it matches almost perfectly with the organizer. You do not have to get the same color organizers if you don't want to. You can get pink, blue, any type of color, like it really doesn't matter. But for me personally, I wanted all my organizers to match inside of my bags. I have this huge water bottle in here and it fits perfectly with this tote bag. Now it's not going to be flopping everywhere and making a mess. It's not going to take so much space. So that is all the organizers I have to show you guys in this video. Keep in mind they do have so many different organizers you can choose from. Over 700 organizers for any type of bag that you may have. I'll link all the organizers in the description box down below for you guys, so make sure you guys go check out Zoomoni. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. I'll see you guys in my next video.